Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Gretna, local and long-distance movers near me. Shifting to a distance over 50 miles is considered a long distance. Taking care of all your stuff and shifting to a distant place is not easy. With 3 Movers at Gretna, state of Louisiana, you can always schedule your shifting plans with utmost ease. Our team members are well-versed in the area of Gretna and have helped hundreds of people relocate to new locations. For maximum protection of your belongings, we have insurance coverages that will cover any loss incurred during the shifting process. Let us know if you're planning for a long-distance move. Moving locally is inexpensive and less complicated compared to a long-distance move. With 3 Movers, you'll get the cheapest and most efficient local moving services. Our experienced teams know how to carry out the shifting process. In addition, we are well-versed with the roads and routes of Gretna, so our team won't waste any of your time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gretna moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.